Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Today we're going to do an unboxing from Paintsomeway. They sent me 3 beautiful paintings, and so let us begin. The first one I absolutely love. This one's called Elf, and it's a little elf fairy, and she's got these very colorful wings. She's got flowers on her hair. She's got pink hair. She's got these beautiful blue eyes. And then she's got a magic wand. And she's got like a ballerina outfit on and a black background. So it brings out all the colors. So let me bring it up so you can see how clear and gorgeous. Look how cute and adorable she is. This one, I think Olivia's gonna want it, this one. Okay, so this one's a 30 by 30 centimeters. Let me get my ruler. Okay. So it's like 25 by almost 25. So 25, almost 25 centimeters. And it's 22 colors, and this one's $4.99. It's absolutely, it's a very fun painting. Very sticky. Okay, and like I said, very clear. Let's bring her up so you can see her again. Look at that face. Just very adorable. Okay, so let's look at the drills. Okay, so it comes with a tray, resealable bags, wax, and a pen. And please excuse my nails. I've been under the weather, and I haven't been able to go get my nails done, so please excuse my nails. Okay, so, and these are the colors. Like I said, 22 colors. See how beautiful the colors are? It comes in these individual bags, which is nice. I like that. And as you can see, it's got black, gray, blue, purples, lots of pinks, yellows. I think that's a blue, pink, green, like reddish, blues, grays, and sort of like a purple reddish and green. So really pretty colors. Okay. All right. So, and this one's called Elf, and it's $4.99. Let's put that one over there. Okay. Okay, the next one is a Gorjuss doll, because I am collecting them. Let me just move this one out of the way. I am collecting them. And this one is a 30 by 40 and Gorjuss doll. It's full round. They're all full round diamond paintings. This one's a 30 by 40. Has 20 colors, and it's $4.99. This one is actually perfect for now. As you can see, it's like it's fall, and you see the leaves falling, and she's got a really pretty coat. I think she's collecting leaves, and I love her socks and her booties, and she's got this long beautiful hair, and of course a very cute hat, and all the greenery around her, so it's like grass. Just perfect for now. It's like you know, when it's the fall and it's beginning to, the days start to get cold and colder and colder. And look how clear she is, guys. All right, so let's measure her. 25 by 34.5. Okay, and let's look at the, she came with the tray, pen, wax. And these are the colors. So let's open up the colors. So if you look at it, it's going to have lots of greens and red and blue and yellow. Okay, and these are in numerical order, which I love. So let's start with the first one. I'll turn them this way so you can see them better. So you've got a purple, a very pretty green. I believe that's blue or black. Red. These are greens. I think these are the same color. Yep, 05. And then you have brown, orange, a very pretty yellow. That's probably for her booties. It's like a red-orange, a peachy color. And these are, I think these are the same. Yep, 211. So I think that's a dark green. It's probably for the grass. And then you got more greens, more blue. That's probably for her very pretty hat. And more greens. It's like a beige, probably for her face. And this is really pretty. This is like a blue green. This is like a mustard color and peachy and another like yellow green. Okay, so beautiful colors. This one's also $4.99. Let's put this over here. Okay, so here's the thing, guys. Yeah. Sometimes I, by accident, I order the same one. I had already ordered this one from another company. So this is a gorgeous doll, and I'm sure Olivia will take this one away from me. This is also a full round DP. It's a 30 by 40, has 19 colors, and this was $4.99. Okay, so I'll bring her up so you can see her. She's perfect for now, for next month, which is Christmas. So there's a Christmas tree, there's some stars, and I believe she has like a maybe collection of stars. And then I love her tights and her brown boots, and of course all that blue coloring all around her. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so again, this has 19 colors. Did I measure this one? It's going to be the same as the other one. So this is almost 25 by 35. Okay, so they're all super sticky. Okay, so these are the colors. This comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. And the colors come in these new bags. These are separate bags, which is nice. You don't have to cut them. 19 colors. And as you can see, it's just got lots of blues. Some green, some peach, and some red. But mostly blues and greens. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll take one or two out. Let's see. Let's see. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's got greens, brown. That's probably for her hair. And it's got that sage color and these beautiful greens. Lots of blues. That's probably for all the background. See all these blues? All different blues. And then of course the beige and the peach, pink, and a white. All right. So all right, guys. So this one, they're all $4.99. So let me bring them all out. So this one's gorgeous doll, 19 colors, $4.99. Perfect for now, for Christmas. And then you have the fall one, which is also perfect for now, a gorgeous doll, also $4.99. And let's not forget the adorable elf girl. And it looks like she's like a little ballerina. And this one's 30 by 30, and it's $4.99. Okay, and they're all full round. And that's about it, guys. And I like to say thank you to Paintsomeway for allowing me to show you these beautiful paintings. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye, guys. And thank you very much.